gotta talk. Dang, I know, but it's just some things I gotta get off my chest, alright?
Let's talk. I got a lot to say, so I guess I'll start by saying that I love you, but you know this thing ain't been no walk in the park for us. I swear it'll only take a minute, you'll understand when I finish. Yeah, and I don't wanna see you cry, but I don't wanna be the one to tell you a lie. So how do you let it go when you just don't know what's on the other side of the door when you walking out? Talk about everything I tried to remember to say just went out my head. So I'ma do the best I can to get you to understand. Cause I know, yeah, say goodbye, but I gotta make the first move. Cause if I don't, you're gonna start hating me. Cause I really don't feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, there's never a right time to say goodbye, but we know that we gotta go our separate ways. Baby, I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Listen to your heart, girl, you know we should be apart. Baby, I just can't do it. And sometimes it makes me wanna cry. Ooh.